When installing a street light with solar power, it is essential to consider its location. The best location for a street light is an open area with plenty of sunlight during the day. Once you have found the perfect location for your street light with solar power, follow these tips to install it correctly. 1. Assemble the solar panel kit. Now that you have all the parts, it's time to put them together. First, take the solar panel and attach it to the frame. Make sure that the positive and negative terminals are facing the right way. Otherwise, the panel won't work. 2. Mount the solar panel to a sturdy surface. Mount the solar panel to a sturdy surface like a table or shelf. Use the included screws to secure the panel in place. Be sure to leave enough space around the panel for air circulation. 3. Connect the battery to the solar panel. Connect the battery to the solar panel using the provided wires and clamps. Tighten the clamps to ensure a secure connection. 4. Connect the light fixture to the battery. Connect the light fixture to the battery according to the instructions in the kit. Ensure the connection is secure, and there is no risk of the battery becoming disconnected. After the connection is made, turn the switch to the light fixture. The light should come on. If it does not, check the connections and ensure the batteries are correctly installed. If the light still does not come on, contact the kit manufacturer for assistance. Thank you for watching.